You can make $7 every minute without much work by using a little-known online business that runs on its own. Your money can go straight to your PayPal, Payoneer, or bank account. If PayPal isn't an option where you live, no problem. You can still get paid directly into your local bank. So give this video a like and let's dive into the first step. Head over to a website called Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a place where you can find free images and videos that anyone can use without paying. They've got over 5 million top-notch pictures, video clips, and music tracks, all yours for free. You won't need to buy or sell these images. Instead, we'll use them to create a system that earns money automatically, bringing in $7 every minute with almost no effort. When you get to Pixabay.com, look for the Join button and click it to make a free account. After signing up, type dog into the search bar at the top and press enter. You'll see a bunch of cute dog photos pop up. People really love dogs, and for this setup, we need pictures with just one dog in them, either standing or sitting, nothing else in the background. This matters a lot for our money-making plan. Find a dog picture you like, click on it to open it, and then hit the download button on the right side. Pick the biggest size they offer, then click download again to save it to your computer or phone. Go back and find another dog picture you like and download that one too. Keep going until you've got 5 to 10 pictures of dogs, cats, birds, or any other pets you can think of. If you want more options, check out websites like Pexels or Unsplash. They also have free, high-quality pet photos you can use without spending a dime. Now let me explain why we're collecting these pet pictures from Pixabay, Unsplash, or Pexels. There's an online store out there selling custom pet items, like phone cases with pet faces, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, blankets, and even portraits, all made with pet photos. The person running the store doesn't take the pictures or make the products themselves. Instead, customers send in photos of their own pets, and the store owner uses a service called Printify to print those images onto items and ship them out. The best part is the owner doesn't have to pay anything up front. Printify takes a cut from each sale to cover the cost of making and sending the product. It's a great deal for both sides. The store is pulling in over $3,000 a day by selling things they don't have to create or deliver themselves. This works because of something called a print-on-demand business. It's a simple way to sell stuff. You use pictures to design products, team up with a supplier like Printify, and they provide blank items like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, and mugs that get printed with your designs. Printify makes it easy by connecting directly to places where you can sell, like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. For these custom pet products, it's straightforward. A customer gives you a photo of their pet, you upload it to whatever item they pick, like a mug or a phone case, and Printify takes care of printing it and sending it to them. You don't have to touch anything, the design gets printed, and the finished product goes right to the customer. For step 2, head over to Printify. I'll put a link to Printify in the video description and the pinned comment so you can find it easily. Printify is a platform where you can pick blank products like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, and more, and add your own designs to them. You could use a picture, some text, or even a drawing. Once you've got your design ready, you can list your items for sale on websites like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Redbubble, or Printify's own store called Printify Pop-Up. When someone buys one of your products, Printify makes it, ships it, and you get the profit without doing the hard work. Let me show you an example. There's an Etsy shop called ModPUs that's sold over 180,000 items so far. They're selling custom pet phone cases, pillows, mugs, and other things, all using pet photos. Their prices are $19, $30, $9, and so on. If we guess an average price of $10 per item, that's over $1.8 million from just this one shop. Don't worry if Etsy doesn't work in your country. There are other options like Redbubble, which is available almost everywhere, including places like India. You could also sell on Amazon or eBay. This is one of the simplest ways to start making money online without spending anything up front. I'm sharing this idea again because it's one of the best ways to earn cash online. You could even use it to make extra money by designing items like socks, hats, or sweaters and selling them through Printify. Now for step 3, sign up on Printify using the first link in the video description or pinned comment. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on My New Store, then pick Add a New Store. You'll land on a page where you can connect your Printify account to stores like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok US, eBay, Walmart, or Printify Pop-Up. Lots of choices to get started. After linking your store, click Catalog on the left side and start picking items one by one. This shop I mentioned sells phone cases, pillows, mugs, t-shirts, and more, so we'll make those too. Let's begin with phone cases. Choose one from the list, and you'll see blank phone case options for iPhones and Androids. If you're new to this, I'd say go with one of the top 3. They're the most popular and sell well. Let's pick this one. On the next page, you'll see sample images of your phone case, and they look really nice. Scroll down a bit and click Start Designing Products. This takes you to a new page where you can create your first item, phone cases for your store. We'll use the dog pictures we downloaded from Pixabay. You can also grab images from Unsplash or Pexels if you want. Click Upload, then My Device, and choose a dog photo from your computer or laptop. It'll show up on the phone case. Now, let's make it look good. This picture has a background, but if you check that shop's items, their pet photos don't. We need to take the background off. Luckily, Printify has tools to help. Click the background remover icon at the top. A window will pop up where you can erase the background yourself with an eraser tool or just hit Quick Remove. In a few seconds, Printify clears it perfectly. Hit Apply, and your dog picture is ready without the background. Next, move the dog image around on the phone case. Put it in the center and make sure it stretches down to the bottom edge, right up to the outer black line. If it doesn't, it'll look off. Then let's add some text. Click Add Text on the left. Pick a font. I'll use this one, but you can choose whatever you like and place it above the dog. Type a name like Caesar, and there you go. Your first item is finished. Printify has lots of handy tools to play with. There's an AI image generator, for example. Click it and a window opens up. Pick a style. I'll go with photographic because we want something that looks real. Then type a description, like a dog on a white background. The more details you give, the better the picture turns out. Click Generate Image, and in just a few seconds, you'll get a cute dog photo you can use for your phone case. There are plenty of tools like this to make your design stand out. When you're happy with your design, click Preview to check it out. You'll see different angles of your phone case, and ours looks awesome. If you spot something you don't like, hit Edit and tweak it until it's just right. When it's perfect, click Save Product to store it in your Printify account under My Products. Do this again to build a collection of products for your online store. Connect your Etsy shop, or whatever site you're using, to Printify. Add your designs there. And when someone buys something, Printify takes the order, prints it, ships it, and handles all the costs. You get the profit after they subtract their fees. Printify is an amazing place to create and sell custom products without spending your own money. Download free pet pictures from Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels. Put them on Printify items, link your shop to Etsy, and set your prices. Maybe $7, $10, or even $20, depending on what feels right for you and your customers. Before long, you could be making $7 every minute, just like these successful shops, in just a few months. I'll leave a link to Printify in the description and pinned comment. Sign up today and start earning right away. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.